Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Now we will continue with problems on continuity equation. In that problem 5, this is a problem I have picked from GATE Mechanical Engineering 2020. The thing goes like this: the velocity field for an incompressible flow in Cartesian system is represented as given there, and which of the following values of V is valid. Okay, this is one of the easiest one mark question. So let us see how to solve this problem. Okay, so now since it's an incompressible flow and it's a three-dimensional flow, so we can have the continuity equation as dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. Let us do the differentiation. Here if we do this, dou u by dou x will come as 4. In terms of x it is 4x, correct, plus dou v by dou y, and what comes with the dou w by dou z is 0 because w is this, it's a constant, so differentiation will become equal to 0. This implies my dou v by dou y is equal to minus 4x. Now this is a partial differentiation. When we integrate this, we get v is equal to minus 4xy plus a function of, see, this has been differentiated with respect to y, so y is coming, so this function has to be of x and z. So we have to see which one matches this. If you see minus 4xy, only b matches, it's not plus, so this should be the answer. And also we can get a confirmation that the other one is a function of x and z. So the answer is B. Thank you very much, students.